Hello everyone. In this video, we will go through a feature in which you can manage your calendar notes assigned to users and groups. Let's see how this works. First, open the Calendar Notes Manager tab from the app launcher. Here it will show a list of all calendar notes. To create a new note, click on New Note. It will open the UI to create new note. Select User if you want to add this note for a specific user, or select Group if you want to add this note for user group. Here we are adding a note for the user, so we are selecting User. Select Note Date. Add Body. Now click on Save. The note is saved successfully. Similarly, you can add note for the user groups by selecting Group Radio. You can edit, delete or view the job notes by clicking on the row-level actions here. Click on Edit to edit the note. Update values and click Save. The note is updated successfully. Click on Delete to delete the note. It will show a confirmation. Click on OK. The note is deleted successfully. Let's see how you can delete multiple calendar notes. You can find the calendar notes using their type, user, group and created date. Click on the filter icon and provide filter values. Click on Apply. It will display the calendar notes based on the filter values provided in the filter. Select calendar notes that you want to delete from the list. Now click on Delete. It will show a confirmation. Click on OK. All selected notes are deleted successfully. You can create a new public user group by clicking on New Group. Thank you for watching.